Getting started with Personal Capital.
Personal Capital is a financial app that helps you manage your money by analyzing spending, tracking investments, and providing financial insights. To begin, download the app or visit the website. Then create an account and securely link your financial accounts, such as banks and credit cards. This will allow Personal Capital to gather your transaction data for comprehensive analysis.
Navigating to the dashboard.
Once your accounts are linked, open the main dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of your finances, including net worth, recent transactions, and spending summaries. Click on the Banking or Transactions tab to focus on your day-to-day spending. The interface is designed to give you a clear picture of where your money goes each month.
Reviewing transactions and categorizing spending.
Personal Capital automatically categorizes your transactions, such as groceries, entertainment, or utilities, based on merchant information. You can edit these categories for accuracy by selecting any transaction and changing its label. Accurate categorization ensures better insights and helps you identify which areas of spending can be adjusted or reduced.
Exploring spending charts and trends.
Navigate to the Spending section to view detailed charts and graphs. You can analyze your spending by month, category, or merchant. Use filters to compare trends over time and spot recurring expenses or unexpected spikes. These visual tools help you recognize patterns and make informed decisions about your financial habits.
Setting budgets and monitoring progress.
While Personal Capital does not offer traditional budgeting, you can set spending goals for different categories by monitoring your monthly average and adjusting as needed. Regularly check your progress in the app to stay informed and motivated. Consistently analyzing your data empowers you to make smart choices and achieve your financial goals.